how much should you actually spend on an RC car? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, WIAORCHI 114 brushless RC car. First up, we have the WIAORCHI 114 brushless RC car priced at $139.99. Honestly, what caught my attention was its promise of extreme speed, hitting over 50 mph. If you're looking for high-speed off-road fun, this is worth a serious look. The aluminum alloy chassis ensures durability so you don't have to worry about wear and tear. Plus, it's built for all-terrain with special tires that make it suitable for snow, sand, or gravel. With a 3S battery, you get about 44 minutes of playtime, which is impressive for this price range. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get it going, the performance is worth the learning curve. It's not a deal breaker, especially if you want that high-speed thrill. This is perfect for you if you're an adult looking for a serious off-road challenge. Skip this one if you prefer a more casual, easy-to-use RC car. For the price, it delivers excellent value. Now, if that setup issue concerned you, the next one might be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, ACAMMZAR RC Drift Car. Next is the ACAMMZAR RC Drift Car, which goes for just $32.99. What struck me here is its fun drifting capability, perfect for beginners. If you want to get into RC cars without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. It even comes with 2 sets of tires, so you can switch for different terrains. With 2 batteries included, you get around 50 minutes of playtime. However, some users mentioned that the control range could be better. But honestly, for the price, it's pretty good for indoor use and short outdoor runs. If you're just starting out, the lack of long-range control might not bother you. This is perfect for kids or anyone wanting to start off in RC drifting. Skip this one if you're looking for something more high-speed. You really can't go wrong for less than $35. Product number 3, WAMAC 114 all-terrain RC car. Then we have the WAMAC 114 all-terrain RC car priced at $79.99. Right off the bat, what I liked is its versatility. If you're after something that handles different terrains well, this is a solid pick. Here's why this matters. The car can hit speeds up to 40 km/h thanks to its powerful motor, and it comes with 2 batteries for up to 40 minutes of playtime. The 4WD system means you can tackle grass, mud, or gravel without a hitch, making it family-friendly. Plus, the 4 GHz control system allows you to race without interference from others. Now, some buyers mention that it's not as durable as higher-end models. But here's the thing, for casual fun, this holds up well and provides a great balance between performance and durability at this price point. This is perfect for families or beginners who want a reliable RC car that doesn't cost a fortune. Skip this if you're a hardcore enthusiast looking for pro-level features. It offers great value for its price. Product number 4, HyperGeo H14 BMV3. Next up is the HyperGeo H14 BMV3, coming in at $199.99. Honestly, this car genuinely surprised me with its features. If you want something that can really take a beating while still being super fast, you need to hear this. Here's what makes it stand out. It features a brushless motor that can reach speeds of 50 mph, which is incredible. The all-terrain capability means it can handle anything from snow to dirt. Plus, with its durable aluminum chassis and upgraded parts, you won't have to worry about breaking it anytime soon. The 3S battery gives you an impressive playtime, and it has an adjustable speed setting for beginners. However, a few users mentioned that it can be on the pricier side for beginners. But honestly, if you're serious about RC cars, the performance and durability make it worth the investment. This is perfect for experienced users or those who want a high-speed thrill. Skip this if you prefer budget models or are just starting out. It's a quality piece for the price. Product number 5, TNSSIAN X1 18-scale all-terrain RC car. Last but not least, we have the TNSSIAN X1 18-scale all-terrain RC car at an affordable price of $49.99. What caught my eye is its solid build for a beginner-friendly option. If you're looking for something fun and durable without spending too much, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this car could be great for you. It can reach speeds of 40 km/h and is equipped with a powerful brushed motor. You'll enjoy up to 40 minutes of driving time with the included rechargeable batteries. Plus, the remote control is user-friendly and has a good range, making it easy for kids to operate. Now, some reviews did mention that the materials feel a bit cheap. But here's the thing, for this price point, it performs admirably and is perfect for kids aged 8-12 who are just getting started. This is perfect for young enthusiasts or families looking for a casual RC car. Skip this if you're after more advanced features. It truly offers a good bang for your buck. So to wrap it up, we have the WIAORCHI for speed junkies, ACMMZAR for drifting newbies, WMAC for all-terrain fun, Hyper-Go for serious enthusiasts, and TNSSENX for young beginners. Each has its unique strengths and fits different needs, ensuring that no matter your preference, there's something here for you. Thanks for tuning in.